Hello students, today we will do relations involving order of sets. Relations involving order of sets. First, suppose we are having two non-empty sets A and B, and A intersection B is equal to 5. If A intersection B is equal to 5. What is NA union B? That would be equal to Na plus Nb. Why? Because A union B will contain all those elements which are present in A or in B. तो देखिए जब A यूनियन B का जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होगा कितने होंगे वो जो A में है प्लस B में है. व्हाट इज order of set? Order of set means total number of elements contained by the set. So therefore NA union B is equal to NA plus NB. If A intersection B is not equal to 5, suppose there is no common element between A and B, then what will happen? If there is no common elements in A and B, then we are getting NA union B is equal to NA plus NB. But if it is not equal to 5, it is having some common elements. A and B are having some common elements. Then what will happen? NA union B is equal to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. Why? Because जो A और B के टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको हम ऐड कर दें तो उसमें कुछ एलिमेंट्स अगर ऐसे हैं जो दोनों में कॉमन हैं तो वो हमारे को घटाने पड़ेंगे उससे. सो देयरफॉर n ऑर्डर ऑफ A यूनियन B इज इक्वल टू ऑर्डर ऑफ A प्लस ऑर्डर ऑफ B माइनस ऑर्डर ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. Third, we can take three non-empty sets A, B, C. Then N, A, union B, union C. How we can write? We can club A, union B, union C. So again, we will apply this formula. क्या बनेगा यहाँ से? दोबारा उसी को हमने यहाँ पर अप्लाई करना है N, A, union B. अब इस पूरे को हम एक कंसीडर करेंगे और इसको दूसरा सेट कंसीडर करेंगे. सो क्या आएगा हमारे पास? N A यूनियन B प्लस NC माइनस N A यूनियन B इंटरसेक्शन C. इज इट क्लियर? बिकॉज देखिए यहां से A दिस होल इज वन सेट, union of these two A and B is one set and C is another set. Then what will happen? Order of ठीक इसी तरह से ये Na पहले का नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स प्लस दूसरे के नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स माइनस पहले और दूसरे के जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं A यूनियन B इंटरसेक्शन C के. So after solving this, it is N A union B plus NC minus we can apply here distributive property. क्या बन जाएगा? A intersection C, A intersection C union, here is union B intersection C. We applied here the distributive property. So what we will get from here? यहां से देखिए फिर दोबारा Na यूनियन B का कितने एलिमेंट होंगे भाई? Na प्लस NB माइनस Na intersection B. सो प्लस एन सी एज इट इज, जो तीसरे सेट के जो एलिमेंट्स थे, माइनस अगेन वी विल अप्लाई द यूनियन हेयर. व्हाट वुड यू गेट फ्रॉम हेयर? वी विल अप्लाई बिग ब्रैकेट. सो एन ए इंटरसेक्शन सी प्लस एन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी एन ए यूनियन बी. अभी अभी हमने पढ़ा पिछले वाले रिजल्ट में, ए यूनियन बी हमने देखा कि ऑर्डर ऑफ फर्स्ट एलिमेंट प्लस सेकंड माइनस इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ बोथ. सो माइनस एन ए इंटरसेक्शन सी इंटरसेक्शन बी इंटरसेक्शन सी. So now we are getting from here Na plus Nb. इसको हम पहले लिख लेते हैं Nc. ये बन गया Na इंटरसेक्शन B माइनस, अगेन when we will solve, it is A intersection C and B intersection C minus A intersection B intersection C is equal to N A intersection B intersection C. Why? Because C intersection C is equal to C. So what we are getting, Na क्या मिला यहां से, ये Nb, ये Nc माइनस N A इंटरसेक्शन B. जब ब्रैकेट को खोलेंगे तो ये बन गया माइनस N A इंटरसेक्शन C माइनस N ऑफ B इंटरसेक्शन C प्लस N ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B इंटरसेक्शन C. So see, this is equal to this. N A union B union C is equal to Na plus N of B, order of A, number of element in A, number of element in B, number of element in C, minus number of element A intersection B, number of element A intersection C, number of element in B intersection C, and number of element in A intersection B intersection C. So these are the relations, basic relations involving the order of sets. Well, we will do some problems based on complement of set. So question 1 of exercise 1.5. U universal set is having the elements as 1 to 9, A 1 2 3 4, B is having 2 4 6 8, and C is 3 4 5 6. We are required to find out these three parts. So first part is A complement. What is A complement? We know complement of a set contains those elements which are present in the universal set of that considered collection but not in the given set. So A complement क्या होगा भाई? A complement U minus A. So what is U? U is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 minus A set is having element as 1 2 3 4. So this is equal to all those elements which are present in U but not in A. 1 2 3 4 इधर भी है, हम नहीं लेंगे. सो इस पे कौन से एलिमेंट आएंगे? 5 6 7 8 9. सिमिलरली फोर्थ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज A union B complement. So what is A union B complement? We have to find out first A union B. What is set A? 1 2 3 4. Union. What is set B? 2 4 6 8. Complement. So what is the union of these two? क्या होगा भाई इनका यूनियन? क्या होगा? सम्मिलन. 1 2 3 4 ऑल एलिमेंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन ए एंड बी, दोनों में जो हैं वो इसका यूनियन हो गया। सो ये आ जाएगा 1 2 3 4 6 8 कॉम्प्लीमेंट। सो किसके बराबर होगा ये होगा u माइनस a यूनियन b, those elements which are present in U but not in this given set. So U है हमारा 1 to 9, 1 2 3 4 6 8। So कौन से ऐसे एलिमेंट हैं जो U में है बट A यूनियन B में नहीं है? So 1 2 3 4 5 नहीं है, 5 6 इधर है, 8 इधर है, 7 और 9, 7 9। So this is the answer of this fourth part, A यूनियन B का कॉम्प्लीमेंट। तो पहले हमने A यूनियन B निकाला, उसका कॉम्प्लीमेंट जो एलिमेंट्स उसमें नहीं है लेकिन यूनिवर्सल सेट में है वो हमने उसके कॉम्प्लीमेंट में ले लिया। नेक्स्ट इज सिक्स्थ पार्ट, that is B minus C complement. What is B minus C? Set B, B set है हमारा 2 4 6 8 माइनस C सेट है हमारा 3 4 5 6 होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट। कौन कौन से एलिमेंट होंगे B माइनस C में? दोज एलिमेंट्स विच आर प्रेजेंट इन B बट नॉट इन C। यही हमने सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ टू सेट्स में देखा था। सो 2 4 6 8 जो B में है लेकिन C में नहीं है। अब देखिए 2 इसमें नहीं है, वी हैव टू टेक, 4 इसमें है, छोड़ दीजिए, 6 इसमें है, छोड़ दीजिए, 8 2 and 8 whole complement. Now all those elements which are present in U but not in B minus C. So कौन कौन से एलिमेंट आएंगे जो U में है और इसमें नहीं है? So 1, उसके बाद 2 है, 3 4 5 6 7 8 नहीं है। No. So this is the B minus C complement. Now next question number 3 of exercise 1.5. Next is question number 3 of the same exercise, taking the sets of natural number as universal set. So what is universal set? Universal set is equal to set of natural numbers 1 2 3 and so on. This is the universal set. Write down the complement of the following sets. So first part is x such that x is an even natural number. Even natural number. Now this is the set builder form of this set. So now we have to write the answer in the same form. So what will be the set builder form? Even natural numbers 2 4 6 8 and so on. लेकिन अब वो जो इसमें नहीं है तो 2 4 6 8 7 2 4 6 8 10 these are coming in this set. So what will be the elements which are not present in this set? That is x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. क्यों है ये? क्योंकि देखिए इवन नेचुरल नंबर होता है 2 4 6 8 एंड सो ऑन, और ऑड होता है 1 3 5 एंड सो ऑन. नाउ सी फ्रॉम हियर द यूनिवर्सल सेट इज हैविंग ऑल एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम 1 2 3 and so on. So these elements already present in the given set. So odd numbers are not in the given set but present in the universal set. So this is the answer of this part. Now next is eleventh part of the same question. X such that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So this is also the set builder form of the given set. So what is given for us? 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. This implies 2x is greater than 10 minus 1. So this implies 2x is greater than 9. So this implies x is greater than 9 by 2. That is equal to 4.5. That means this set is containing all those elements which are more than 4.5. 4.5 से बड़ा जो नेचुरल नंबर है. So कौन कौन से नेचुरल नंबर होंगे जो इसमें नहीं है? X such that x belongs to n and what will be this? X belongs to n. कितने तक आएंगे? X is less than 4. X is less than 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. क्योंकि x बड़ा है 4.5 से. 4.5 से जो बड़ी वैल्यूज हैं वो इस सेट के अंदर है ऑलरेडी. तो इसलिए इसमें वही नेचुरल नंबर्स आएंगे जो 4.5 से छोटे हैं. एंड दीज आर 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is question number 4 of the same exercise. This one. What is the question? U is 1 to 9. U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A set A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Now we have to verify A union B complement is equal to this. So first, what is A union B? This implies what is A union B? 2, 4, 6, 8 union 2, 3, 5, 7. So what is the union of these two sets? All those elements जो दोनों के अंदर हैं. तो भाई 2 है, उसके बाद 3 है, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7 and 8. This is A union B. Therefore we have to verify that this is equal to this. So therefore A union B complement. We have to take the complement of this set. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 complement. So those elements which are present in U but not in this. So what are those elements? See, 1 to 9. So this is 1 and 9. 1 और 9 ये सारे U के अंदर है, लेकिन जो हमारा A यूनियन B है उसमें है 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will consider here only 1 and 9. Now RHS, what is RHS? RHS is A complement intersection B complement. This was LHS जो हमारे पास ये पार्ट आया. अभी A complement intersection B complement. What is A complement? A complement is U minus A. U हमारा है 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus A. A is 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is U minus A? That is 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. And what is B complement? B complement is U minus B. So again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9। U में सारे एलिमेंट हैं, सारे अवयव हैं, माइनस बी के अंदर जो है, इन B we are having 2, 3, 5, 7, and we have to verify this. So what is this? This is 1, एक एलिमेंट इसमें है, उसके बाद 2, 3 उधर है, 4, देन 5 उधर है, 6, 7 उधर है, 8, 9. So therefore what is A complement intersection B complement? हमारे पास C complement भी आ चुका है, B complement भी आ चुका है. B complement ये है, A complement ये है. जब दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन लेना है, what is the intersection of two sets? सर्वनिष्ठ हिंदी में कहते हैं, दोनों में जो एक जैसे एलिमेंट हैं, इन दोनों के अंदर जो एक जैसे एलिमेंट हैं, कौन कौन से हैं? एक 1 है और सेकंड 9. सो नाउ सी, ये भी 1 9 है, ये भी 1 9 है. सो दिस इंप्लाइज A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Verified. So we have done some problems based on the complement of a set. We will do some problems based on the relation involving the order of sets. So this is first question of exercise 1.6. If x and y are two sets such that number of element in x is 17, order of set x is 17, number of elements in set y is 23, and number of elements in x union y is equal to 38, we are required to find out n of x intersection y. We know, we have done this formula that n x union y is equal to what? N of x plus n of y. If intersection is not a null set, then n x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n x intersection y. So this is equal to, what is the order of set x? 17. What is the order of set y? 23. And order of x union y, number of elements in x union y is given for us. This is 38 minus x intersection y. We have substituted the value of nx, n of x, n of y, and n of x union y. So now transpose this term to left and this to right. What would you get from here? N x, because this is required from us, and x intersection y is equal to 17 plus 23 is 40 minus 38. So this is equal to 2. Because when we will transpose the terms from left to right or right to left, तो obviously उनका साइन चेंज होगा. ये नेगेटिव था, वहां जाके पॉजिटिव हो गया, ये पॉजिटिव था, वहां जाके नेगेटिव हो गया, and because of that 40 minus 38 is 2. So number of elements in x intersection y will be 2. Next is question number 3 of this same exercise. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? So let the number of people who speaks Hindi denoted by n of h. So let number of people who speaks Hindi इज इक्वल टू एन ऑफ एच। कितने लोग हैं जो हिंदी बोलते हैं? 250 कैन स्पीक हिंदी। Number of people who speaks English. English, we are denoting it as E, N of E. कितने लोग हैं? 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both? This is required from us. And in a group of 400, total people कितने हैं? Total number of people in the group, both आ जाएंगे। n of h union e, ये है 400। and what is required from us? People who can speak both. So number of people who can speak both, that is Hindi and English. So common H intersection E, this is required from us. We know N H union E, N H union E is equal to N of H plus N of E minus N H intersection E. So now substitute the values. N of H union E 400 is equal to 200 plus 250 minus H intersection E. So this implies, again transpose the terms. So N H intersection E is equal to what? This is 450 minus 400 is equal to 50. Therefore, number of people who can speak both is equal to 50. So today we have done few problems based on complement of a set and few problems based on the relations involving order of set. Thank you.